Hi, welcome to the OmniFY expense demo. The expense connector was built along with the Concur team as we are certified Concur partners. The connector is not a middleware and uses Concur API to establish connection and transfer information between Concur and Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. With our connector, you do not need to subscribe or pay for Concur API as they are included with our product. Now, let's proceed to the demo. I will give you a quick overview of the module first and then we will see how the process works. What happens is when expense reports are approved, they get downloaded from Concur. They come into Business Central and they get created in the OmniFY expense reports here. As you can see, this is a list of all the expense reports that have been downloaded from Concur. If I open one of these, you'll be able to see all the related information that comes through. You can see the header and the line information, including the user information and the dates. The connector also brings in the expense code like the GL account, expense type, the amount, the description that it was entered on the expense, and dimensions if there are any that are attached to the expenses. Credit cards are generally treated as corporate cards, and the numbers are encrypted. After we bring in the credit card account number, it can be processed either to a clearing account or to a bank account or to a vendor, depending on how you want to process your credit cards. If there are any receipts attached in Concur, we can choose to download them. This area shows the receipts that are attached. This can be disabled if you don't want to download receipts from Concur. Now, let's take a look at the setup. Expense controls is how we deal with different types of expenses in Concur. Cash is essentially out of pocket. Company billed, company paid is company credit card. If you have a vendor payment, for example, some corporates deal with specific airlines or specific rental car agencies. These vendor name comes in from Concur as well. This is where you can choose to create invoice or journal when you post the expense report. We can use user setup for out-of-pocket expenses. These are all Concur users that come from Concur. And this is where we map it to a vendor or to an employee or to a GL account depending on your requirement. And you would select the relevant number here. We can also synchronize users from Concur to Business Central. Expense type is essentially mapping between Concur account and GL account in Business Central if they are different. Expense credit cards are used to manage credit card information. We can map these to GL account, which is the clearing account, or to a vendor card, which is the credit card vendor that you pay, or to a bank account, if you are doing reconciliation on statements. We also have the ability to download previously processed expense reports. What it does is that it looks at the closed expenses in Concur and you can re-download it if there was a mistake. We can choose one of these and you can download expense reports and it will go ahead and bring in that expenses from Concur. We also have the scheduler, which works in the background. Job queue entries is a built-in scheduler for Business Central and we just utilize this to schedule our connector's integration with Concur. The job scheduler checks for open expense reports in Concur, brings in the data and creates the expense reports in Business Central. You can schedule it to run every evening or every weekend, depending on how your approvals work, because the connector only downloads approved expenses. Alright, so let's move on and see how our expenses get processed. We will go to Concur and create some expenses and bring them over to Business Central. Now, I will go ahead and create some expenses. Let's save it and add one more line so we have two. Here we have taxi for $20 and fuel for $38.96, with total amount of $58.96. The expense report is called Business Trip London. And we have two receipts attached. I will go ahead and submit this expense report. Generally, clients will have approval processes to get expense reports approved. However, in our sandbox we do not have any approval process, which means as soon as I submit the expense report, it will essentially be approved and ready for download into Business Central. So, I will close out and we'll go back to Business Central. There are two ways to download expense reports. If you want to download them manually, you come to Closed Batches. But I will show you how the scheduler works. Let's go over to the job queue and set status to ready, and this will trigger the job queue to go to Concur. Check for any new expense reports and bring them over. If the status shows in process, means it's executing, it's connecting to Concur, does all the authentication, and checks if there are any open expense reports. Now let's go back to expense report. We have this new expense report called Business Trip London with $58.96. It has brought in everything from Concur. Receipts attached will come in as one big PDF. From here, depending on how we configure the system, how the expenses are set up in the system, whether it's credit card or it's a out-of-pocket expense, it'll create the relevant documents, an invoice, or creates a journal. Currently, the system is configured to create journals. So when I hit post, it will go ahead and create a journal. Let's go to General Journal. And you will see that each expense line is entered separately. The document number is matched with the expense report number. We can also bring receipt attachment to journal if you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the demo. If you have any questions, please feel free to mail us at sales@omnilogicsolutions.com and we will be happy to set up a personalized demo for you.